Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. Today I wanted to give you guys a quick tip, something a lot of people have a problem with, because I get a lot of calls about it. They'll turn their furnace on and the AC unit fan will come on as well, and they can't figure out why it's doing it or how to turn off just the AC, because the furnace will still turn on, but the fan on the air conditioner is still running. And the reason it's doing that is because one of the settings on the thermostat needs to be changed. So I'm going to go over here to the thermostat and then I'll show you guys. Turn it on here, push mode. So you see the fan setting here, how it says low? It needs to say automatic. So because if you go over and turn the furnace on, and you notice how it still says low right above the furnace right here, it's going to run that AC fan too, because the two are tied directly together through the thermostat goes up into the air conditioner and it actually comes back down and comes to the thermostat here. So like, consider these things married together. So to make it stop doing that, we're going to go ahead and go to the fan. We're going to push the arrow until it says auto. So once it says auto, hit mode again, and then it should shut off the fan on the AC unit itself. As you can see, it turned off, and if I was to increase the temperature on the furnace, it would turn on. But notice how it says auto here now. So if you look at your thermostat, most likely it's going to say low or high, and that's why your air conditioner fan is coming on when you turn the furnace on. So if you change it to auto under the fan setting here, by just pushing the arrows, that will fix your problem. So I hope this video helps somebody. This realistically applies to people who have the Dometic AC and this Dometic thermostat. So if you guys have any questions about this, feel free to comment below. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped you. Share it with any friends you might have that maybe have the similar problem. And until next time, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And this helps me get more content out to you guys, the more subscribers I have. Some of these new lights that are coming out on some of these Grand Designs, these motion lights, are pretty neat. I like them. This is actually on a 2018 model too. But Grand Design does a really good job, and it's one of my top 3 to work on. I enjoy working on them because I think Grand Design did a great job building them. But if you guys have any other questions, comment below. Till next time, safe travels. Thanks for watching.